In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Keep documents to Google Docs. So open up Google Keep on your desktop and go to one of your notes that has a document in it. As you can see here, I've got one with a picture in it. And what we're going to do is tap on the tick icon in the top left hand corner of the document in question. Now in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots and tap on the option where it says copy to Google Docs. As you can see, you get a pop-up menu in the bottom left saying that it's copying to Google Docs, and when it's done, tap on the open doc icon, and there you can see that this Google Keep document has been converted to Google Docs, and that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.